Wendy, guess who I saw yesterday?
Who?
Josh. He got out the hospital yesterday.
He did? Oh, that's so nice to hear. He was in the hospital a very, very long time.
Is he in the hospital?
Well, I don't know. He was acting kind of funny. Acting kind of crazy in a way, because he said that something about invisible water he invented.
Wendy, Josh gave me this bottle yesterday. He said it's invisible water and he wants me to keep it safe for him.
What? There's not such thing as invisible water. He's just crazy. He didn't invent no invisible water.
Oh, okay. I'll just go play now.
Okay, I have to do some baking and stuff, so yeah, you go ahead and play, and then we'll have some cookies or something later, okay?
Okay. Look at this invisible water. Smell it. Oh no, this stuff did work. Where did Jessie go? I know. I'll get a phone and Jessie will come. Oh no, Jessie took it. Jessie, where are you? Jessie, are you there? Jessie, where are you? Jessie, where are you? Where did Jessie go? Oh no, he's gone. Where's Wendy gonna say? We don't find Jessie, what am I gonna say to Wendy? Jessie, you're here. Oh, that's good. Jessie, where were you? This stuff does work. I'm gonna give this stuff to Josh. I don't want it.
Oh, Jessie, are you sad that we had to take Jasmine home so that she can go to school tomorrow? I bet you would like to go for a walk. Would you like to go for a walk? Here, let me get your collar for you. Let's get your collar on. Let's put your collar on so we can go for a walk. There we go. Oh, let's go for a walk, okay? Oh, wait a second. There's somebody at the door. Oh, thanks for bringing my mail. Yep, thanks. Oh, Jessie, do you want to come for a walk? Jessie? Jessie? Where did Jessie go? Jessie? Where are you? Jessie? Where are you, Jessie? Where did she go? How did she take her collar off? Oh, that's weird. Oh. Jessie! Whoa! Jessie! How did you get back here? Oh, and your collar's on. Oh, no. I think I'm getting dementia. Okay. Whoa. Oh, I better get to the doctor.